Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to sense text size in Google Sheets. So let's start. At first, open your Google Sheet document file. Firstly, then I show the Google Sheets document. Now we show that text. This text size is the sense. Now click on the any text option. Now click on the font size option, then any font size. Then again another process. Now click with the another text option. Now for click. Now click with the plus icon option. Now for click. That's it. Then text sense is the size in Google Sheets is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.